Welcome to the SCRIBZEE YouTube channel. Once you've scanned your notes with SCRIBZEE, you can rename the files and organize them in the folder of your choice in Notes. Let's see how. Tab SCRIBZEE. Open Pending to view the notes that need to be renamed and filed. To rename a note, open the More Options menu and select Edit Title. Add a file name and tap OK. To file the note, open the More Options menu and select Move to a folder. You can choose an existing folder or create a new one. Let's create a new folder. Select the Create New Folder icon. Type in a folder name, and if you want, assign a color to the folder. Select OK. SCRIBZEE creates the folder and files your note automatically. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos about SCRIBZEE, have a look at our YouTube channel.